Bonjour, welcome back to Smart Learning Foreign Language, your one-stop channel to learn French the smart and easy way. In today's lesson, we're going to learn one of the most beautiful and useful verbs in French, AIMER, which means to love or to like. Whether you want to say I love chocolate or she likes French music, this verb will help you express your feelings in French confidently. So stay with us till the end of the video. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Learning Foreign Language for more fun lessons. Let's begin. AIMER means to love or to like, depending on the context. Example: J'aime le chocolat. I love chocolate. J'aime les chats. I like cats. Simple, right? Let's now see how to use AIMER correctly with different pronouns. Let's break it down with English meanings. J'aime, I like, I love. Two aims: you like, you love. Informal: il aime, he likes, he loves. Elle aime, she likes, she loves. Nous aimons, we like, we love. Vous aimez, you like, you love. Formal or plural: ils aiment, they like, they love. Masculine or mixed: elles aiment, they like, they love. Feminine. Tip: the pronunciation of aim in most of these forms is similar, except for the different endings, so it's easy to remember. Let's see some real-life examples to use AIMER confidently. J'aime apprendre le français. I love learning French. Tu aimes les films français? Do you like French movies? Elle aime danser. She loves to dance. Nous aimons voyager. We like to travel. Vous aimez ce livre? Do you like this book? Ils aiment jouer au football. They like playing football. Elles aiment chanter. They love singing. Easy and useful for everyday conversation, right? Now it's your turn. Comment below and complete this sentence in French. J'aime. Tell us what you like. It can be food, music, animals, anything. We'll reply and correct if needed. Don't forget, subscribe to our channel, Smart Learning Foreign Language. Like and share this video with your classmates and friends. Check the description below for the best collection of French learning books, dictionaries, and guides at huge discounted prices, our specially designed French communicative course, and a smart self-guidance e-guide for CBSE and IT school students. All contact details are in the video description, so don't miss it. Merci beaucoup d'avoir regardé cette vidéo. Thank you so much for watching. Keep learning, keep smiling, and we'll see you in the next lesson on Smart Learning Foreign Language. Au revoir et à bientôt.